everyone, it's Laura with Everyday Edits, and I'm so excited to show you our living room and the library wall that we built. And when I say we, I built the base and my husband did everything that you see behind me, with the exception of the paint. We did hire someone to give it a high gloss finish, and if you follow me on Everyday Edits, you know that this is Hail Navy. So anyway, I'm so excited to share it. I hope you enjoy this tour of our living room. It has seen so many different looks, and we've struggled with kind of the quirks in the room. And this wall, this built-in bookcase that we affectionately call our library, has just changed the whole vibe of this room. And I hope that, gives you some inspiration or some ideas. So enjoy, and thanks so much for following me at Everyday Edits. And I would love it if you like this YouTube video.